Hi, this is Too Fast here. In this video, I will show you this car dash camera from the company Philips. This one I have here is the model number ADR610S. And this dash cam records in Full HD 1080p with a 120 degree wide angle lens. So let me get straight to unboxing this and I'll show you what the dash cam looks like. So here we have the user manual, USB power cable, windshield mounts, DC power adapter. Here's the car dash camera itself. Here's a look at everything you get with this car dash camera. Let's have a closer look at this car dash camera. On the front we have the camera lens with an aperture of f2.0. So the aperture opening is very large. It's good for nighttime recording. The camera lens also uses a 6-glass lens system, so it gives you a very nice clear video recording image. The dash cam records in Full HD 1080p. On the top here we have the speaker. Looking on this side, we have the USB connector to power the dash cam up. Below that is the reset button. At the back, we have the LCD display. Here's a lock button, up select, down select, and OK button. At the top, we have two LED status. On the left is the record indicator. On the right is the battery status. On this side, we have the power button and the memory card slot. This dash cam supports up to 32 GB of memory size. On the bottom, we have the microphone on this side. At the top, this is where you mount the windshield mounts. To install this windshield mount is very simple. Slide this onto the top of the dash cam. Then you adjust the angle and also rotate it. Here we have the 3M double-sided tape. Remove the backing and then you stick this onto the windshield. The USB power cable you see here is 11 feet long, so that'll give you enough length to run it from the headliner down to your center console. On this end, we have the micro USB connector. You plug this into the dash cam. On the other end of the cable, you plug this into this 12-volt adapter. Install your memory card. Now let's power this on. The default language is Chinese, which is press OK. To change the language to English, you'll need to scroll the menu up to this icon right here, where it has a speech bubble. Select OK. Now scroll up to English. Select OK. Now we have English language. You also need to go down to the Format SD card menu and format the card. Once that's done, press the lock button on the left to exit. And here you're looking at the video record screen. Once the unit is powered on, the recording will begin automatically. That's indicated by the flashing red dot right here. Also, the LED status at the top tells you it's recording. Now, if you press the OK button, it will stop the recording. Now we can go into the setup menu by pressing the down select button. First item is resolution. By default, it's set to 1080p, 30 frames per second. Next one is video length. By default, it's set to 3 minutes. This is your video loop recording time. So the dash cam will record continuously with 3-minute video clips. You can change it to 1 minute or 5 minutes. Exposure. You can increase or decrease exposure. Motion detection, this is for parking mode. You can turn this on or off. Audio recording, you can turn this on or off. Information stamp, on or off. G sensor, right now it's set to middle. You can set this for off, high, or low. So with the G sensor, so while you're driving and the dash cam is recording, if it detects an impact, it will lock that video clip so it will not be overwritten. Device sound, you can turn this on or off. Parking mode, you can turn this on or off. Time and date, you can set the time and date here. Language, for language selection. Frequency. Screensaver, right now it's set to 5 minutes. I'm going to turn this off. So while the unit is recording, you can have the screen turn off automatically. Fatigue driving. This is a nice feature they've incorporated into this car dash camera. So if you turn this on, the dash cam will have a timer. After 16 minutes of driving, the unit will have a warning sound to make sure you're not falling asleep. Format SD card, default setting, system info. Here's a version of the software. Once you're done, press the lock button right here. You also notice on the main screen, the bottom icons right here correspond to the buttons right here. So if you're driving along and you see something happening on the road, you can press this button right here, the lock button, and that'll lock that video clip so it will not be overwritten. You can also press this button to turn on and off the microphone. So let's take this out to the car, get it installed, and then we'll check out the daytime and nighttime recording. To install this dash cam, we'll use the double-sided tape that's on this mounting plate, and we'll stick it directly onto the windshield. You can also rotate this right or left. Connect the power cable to the dash cam, and then run that cable up to the headliner, over to the A-pillar, and down to your center console. Plug the power adapter into the 12-volt accessory port. Once you turn on the ignition, the dash cam will turn on and begin recording. Now this dash cam does have a parking mode. I did turn it on to test it out, and that's indicated by the P at the top of the screen right here. So with the parking mode, it will detect any impact to the vehicle. It will turn on the dash cam automatically, record a short video, and then it'll turn off automatically. So now I'm going to turn off the vehicle. Now if I lightly tap the dash cam, it'll turn on. Now it's recording a short video clip. After 20 seconds, it'll turn off automatically.
Red light camera ahead.
As you can see from the daytime and nighttime recording, this Philips car dash camera actually does a very good job at recording the video with good exposure and contrast. Also, the high definition recording gives you a lot of detail in the picture, so you can make out license plates that's in front of you. I also like the fact that the windshield mount allows you to rotate this camera to the left or to the right. Many other dash cams on the market does not allow you to do that. And with that ability, if you see something happening to the right or left of you, you can quickly rotate the camera and capture what's happening. Now you can get this dash cam at gearbest.com, and I will include the link in the description below. I also want to let you know gearbest.com right now has their 4th anniversary sale. They have many discounted items, so check it out. There's also a drawing for a OnePlus 5T phablet, and I will include the link for that drawing. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click on a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.